Welcome to Top Review Lab. The best smartwatch is probably one of the most versatile and indispensable gadgets in today's fast-paced world, seamlessly blending style with cutting-edge technology to keep you connected, informed, and motivated throughout your day, offering a plethora of features that go far beyond simple timekeeping. From tracking your fitness goals and monitoring your health metrics to managing your notifications and even making contactless payments, all conveniently accessible from your wrist. Number 5. Pilot Precise V5 Stick Liquid Ink Rolling Ball Pens. Introducing the Pilot Precise V5 Stick Pens. These rolling ball pens are designed for a smooth and consistent writing experience, perfect for all your daily tasks. Experience error-free writing, drawing, and designing. Its fine point glides effortlessly across the paper, ensuring skip-free lines for professional-looking results. Pilot brings you innovative writing tools for every need. These pens feature patented precise point technology for crisp, clean lines every time. Achieve accuracy with its precision tip, ideal for detailed writing, sketching, or creative work. It delivers the accuracy you demand. These capped pens prevent smudges and stains, keeping your work clean. The transparent barrels let you easily see the ink level, so you're always prepared. From school notes to bullet journaling, these pens are versatile. They are loved by students, teachers, and professionals alike for their reliability. What we like. Experience unparalleled smoothness with our liquid ink technology. The extra fine point ensures precision for detailed work. If you're looking for a pen that offers consistent, skip-free writing for everything from note-taking to detailed art, this is your go-to choice. What people say. These pens write with the fluid ease of a fountain pen, and don't bleed through to the other side of the page in my expanded Moleskine journals. There's no skipping, no hard startups, and the line is consistent. These are truly the best pens that do not run or bleed. I use mine for accounting and they are perfect for that, extra fine point is perfect. As described, ink flows really well for arthritic hands. Number 4. Slobproof Refillable Touch-Up Paint Pen. Introducing the Slobproof Refillable Touch-Up Paint Pen. You can now load your own latex paint for perfect color matching. Its easy-to-fill design makes refilling quick, clean, and convenient, eliminating the need for rollers or brushes. This tool is perfect for quick fixes and repairs in any living space. Easily touch up scuffs, dings, or scratches, even in tricky spots. It's also great for adding finishing touches to your art projects. Our patented vacuum-sealed system keeps your paint fresh for up to 7 years. Say goodbye to dried-out paint and messy brushes. This refillable pen significantly reduces waste and is simpler to use than traditional tools. The twist control tip provides precise paint flow for a smooth, mess-free experience. Its fine tip applicator ensures clean, even coverage without drips or splatters. This DIY paint pen comes with a reusable syringe for long-term use. It works on virtually any surface, including walls, floors, trim, doors, and furniture. Replacement tips are also available. What we like. Tired of dried-out paint cans and messy brushes? This refillable paint pen offers a mess-free solution for quick touch-ups. Its patented design keeps paint fresh for years, making it ideal for homeowners and DIYers who need precise repairs on walls, furniture, or crafts. What people say. It covered nicks and scratches on my walls and my painted concrete countertops. The pens are also easy to clean, just rinse the brush tip under water, and you're good to go for the next use. I like that I can keep them in a drawer for quick fixes without digging out a paint can and brush. It applies paint cleanly and gives you way more control than I expected for something this simple. Number 3. Pilot Precise V5 RT Rolling Ball Pens. Introducing the Pilot Precise V5 RT, a refillable and retractable rolling ball pen. It's designed for a superior writing experience, perfect for all your daily tasks. Experience superior comfort with its soft rubber grip, offering excellent control for effortless writing. It's ideal for students and teachers, making every word a pleasure to write. Enjoy the smooth flow of liquid ink as it glides across the page. Its durable extra fine tip ensures consistent, skip-free lines every time. Our patented precise point technology delivers clean and accurate lines with remarkable detail. Bring your writing and creativity to life with precision. From taking notes to jotting down lists, these pens are perfect for writing, drawing, designing, and doodling. Experience a polished finish in all your endeavors. Pilot offers innovative writing tools to help you express yourself effortlessly. Discover the joy of writing with our advanced pen technology. What we like. Enjoy superior comfort and control with its soft rubber grip. This retractable pen is refillable, offering a smooth, skip-free writing experience. If you value comfort during long writing sessions and prefer an eco-friendly, retractable option for school or office, this pen is perfect for you. What people say. These extra fine point pens write smoothly and dry fast. Great for checkbooks and crosswords. The colors are handy for organizing things like your calendar, list, or being artistic. These are legitimately my favorite pens in existence. They write so smoothly, with no skipping. The ink flows nicely onto the paper and I don't experience bleed through. They last a long time and work well until the ink runs dry. Number 2. Pilot Precise V5 Stick Rolling Ball Pens. Introducing the Pilot Precise V5 Stick Rolling Ball Pens. Experience effortless writing with a design that's both convenient and reliable. These capped pens prevent smudges and stains, keeping your work clean. The transparent barrels let you easily check the ink level, so you're always prepared. Enjoy a writing experience that glides effortlessly across the page. Its smooth liquid ink ensures consistent, skip-free lines for professional-looking documents. Featuring patented precise point technology, these pens deliver clean and accurate lines every time. Bring your writing and creativity to life with remarkable detail. Perfect for everything from note-taking to creative sketching. They provide a polished, error-free writing experience for all your tasks. Express yourself with Pilot's innovative writing tools. These pens are designed to help you communicate your ideas with clarity and style. What we like. Never worry about smudges or running out of ink unexpectedly. This pen features a convenient cap design and a transparent barrel to monitor ink levels. If you need a reliable pen for everyday tasks that ensures clean, accurate lines and provides a visual cue for ink supply, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The extra fine 0.5mm point makes writing crisp, clean, and precise, perfect for detailed notes, journaling, or professional work. The liquid ink flows smoothly without skipping, and the black color is bold and consistent. I love the design of the fine needle tip and the clear visuals on the body. You always know exactly how much ink you have left, without that surprise of an empty pen. These are my favorite pens, such great, thin definition. The ink is very high quality. Number 1. Pilot Precise V7 Stick Rolling Ball Pens. Introducing the Pilot Precise V7 Stick Rolling Ball Pens. These pens are designed for a smooth, polished writing experience, perfect for all your daily tasks. Whether you're taking notes, planning your week, or journaling, these fine tip pens deliver. They're loved by students, parents, and professionals for their consistent performance. Experience precision with our patented technology. It ensures clean, accurate lines every time, bringing your writing and creativity to life with remarkable detail. The handy-capped design prevents accidental smudges and stains. Plus, the transparent barrels let you easily see how much ink is left, so you're never caught off guard. Enjoy effortless writing with our smooth liquid ink. These pens glide across the paper, providing skip-free strokes for neat and professional-looking results. Ideal for extended study sessions, detailed planner notes, or important professional projects. You can rely on them for consistent, high-quality output. What we like. Achieve remarkable detail with its fine 0.7mm point and smooth liquid ink. This pen delivers consistent, skip-free writing, perfect for various tasks. If you prefer a slightly bolder line than an extra fine point but still desire precision and smoothness for everything from planning to professional projects, this pen is ideal. What people say. The fine size is the absolute best. Nothing flows like this pen. They work well and last a relatively long time. They're nicely made with a sturdy steel clip and narrow profile that feels comfortable in your hand. There is a clear view window for the ink level that's very handy. They do write pretty awesomely, though. They do have a heavy smoothness when writing with them that you don't expect from such a lightweight pen. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.